Well, the nation's new health care law could cost jobs here in Massachusetts. That word from Senator Scott Brown.
Brown toured a Chicopee company and called for the repeal of the new medical device tax. ABC 40's Ray Herschel joins us in the studio with more on what the senator had to say. Ray?
Well, Dave and Marcy, Scott Brown is still not happy about the new health care law. I mean, while there are some good parts like catastrophic care and treating pre-existing conditions, says Brown, there are other areas that he's fighting, including that new tax.
Senator Scott Brown continues his effort to repeal the new medical device tax that's contained in recent health care legislation signed into law by President Obama. Brown toured Dielectrics in Chicopee, which manufactures plastic components for all kinds of medical equipment, like this compression therapy vest. Brown and medical device manufacturers are concerned about the effect of the new 2.3% federal excise tax on jobs.
This bill will directly affect jobs in my state. And my role as a United States Senator is to look out for these people behind me and look out for the people out there working, and that's what I plan to do.
Senator Brown's visit here to Dielectrics in Chicopee is one of several he's making across the state as he continues his efforts to repeal the new medical device tax contained in health care legislation. And for companies like Dielectrics, which employs about 200 people, the new tax is a growing concern.
We've been very successful in Western Massachusetts for a number of years, and we hope to maintain that success and economic growth, but we understand that there are factors beyond our control, and again, we really need to understand what those are.
Also taking the tour with Senator Brown was Stephen Richter, the president and CEO of Microtest in Agawam. He's concerned that the new tax will also lead to cutbacks in research and development.
Collectively in Massachusetts, the medical device community puts about 12% of their top line into research, and if they cut that down by 2.3%, that's going to affect jobs at Microtest.
Besides potential jobs that would be lost, Senator Brown says the new medical device tax will also make those companies think twice about any expansion in Massachusetts, and that would affect the creation of new jobs.
Now, across the state, there are more than 200 medical device companies. They employ nearly 30,000 people. And those companies are still trying to figure out what impact the new tax will have on just how they do business. Marcy?